Most probably, yeah. I actually kept the bike in pretty good condition. What is going on YouTube? I'm back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to meet my boy Steve because he's going to check out a new bike. So we're gonna go and check out this pre-owned Suzuki Gixxer 250, the 2023 model. I think it's ridden for about 6,000 kilometers. He found this ad recently on Facebook, I think. He had been thinking to either go for the Honda CB350 or the Suzuki Gixxer 250. He was actually he was more inclined towards the sportier version of bikes, so he was a little more inclined towards the Gixxer 250. Damn, this road is messed up. So yeah, I finally found an ad. He actually found another ad last week or something, but then that unfortunately got sold out. So he has found another ad this time, and it's the seller is somewhere near Electronic City. I'm making my way towards Electronic City through Nice Road, and he's coming from BEL. It's been quite a while since I vlogged. This is my first vlog after my accident. So yeah, I got my speedometer fixed and the headlight dent and the indicator all fixed, put everything new. But then my handlebar still feels quite weird. I'm not really sure what's up with that. I'll have to get that checked separately. I haven't even got my bike washed actually. And Electronic City. Oh man, it's a task to pay at tolls when you're riding bikes. Ever since I met with that accident, it's pretty hard to put this neutral gear. I think it's because I haven't used the bike from a long time, and that should be the reason. Okay, time to make my way towards Bomanhalli. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't start raining now. I haven't even carried my rain jacket. So yeah, I don't know if you guys are able to see it, but yeah, so the odometer reading has got reset to 0 now since I changed the whole kit. So completely new speedometer. But then the showroom will have my last reading, so the service history is gonna have everything. Damn, finally riding the bike after such a long time. Feels so good. Whew. I had been waiting to go on a bike ride, and then Steve just randomly calls me and asks me to tag along to go check out this pre-owned Suzuki Gixxer 250. Well, he has been thinking of buying a bike from a really long time. Yeah, I just kept changing his mind to buy it or not buy it. He was just going on and off about it. Now finally he has made up his mind. Since I gave the bike for the repairs, from the time I brought the bike back, I don't know, the handlebar feels slightly weird, you know. It feels like it's a little loose. I'm not really sure if what's going on with that. I just hope it's a minor issue because I don't want to take it back to the service center right away again. I just brought it like 2 days back, and after the accident the entire grips and all are feeling really weird, you know. I think this one moved a little bit, so all my horn and the indicators and all of that has moved a little downward. I don't know, it feels like that at least. When I try to just press on the horn in my usual spot, I don't find it anymore. Yeah, so I think when I hit, the impact has done something to the position of this grips. Feels a little weird. Okay, so we have reached the Electronic City toll. Holy shit, there are so many flies on my visor right now. Damn. My god. If I look at my visor, there's just flies all over it. Shit. ಗುರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೋನ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗು ಗುರು. ವಾಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಯಪ್ಪ, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಗುರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? This is the school that we were supposed to meet near.
A few minutes later.
My boy Steve Skoda is here. Now we're waiting for the guy to come with the bike. Not really sure where he is. Steve is saying that he saw him just cross the road or something. Okay, we're finally here.
Giving you a heads up. Okay. So if he doesn't pay, then you're the next person I'll go to. Okay. Just happened now. Okay. Like you saw me cross the road. I just messaged. Okay. So I wanted to tell you that.
So by when is he paying?
Huh?
By when is he paying?
He said within 3 days.
3 days, oh. Where can we ride the bike, dude? This road is filled with potholes.
If you go in that road, it's full of traffic.
Yeah. But this road is filled with potholes, man. I just divided everything and came just now. So you said the guy is going to make the payment within 3 days, huh?
He said he will make the payment within 3 days.
Damn, man. This guy really wanted the bike.
I mean, what can I do? Like, you know, I was thinking how I will tell him because I know he travels 33 kilometers.
Right. What is the Ride Connect edition?
Like, in this you can get like, I'll just show it to you.
You can connect your phone, is it?
Yeah, Bluetooth.
Oh, mad. So you can see who's calling and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Taking this bike out for a spin. I don't know. I mean, I've been riding the Interceptor for a while. So suddenly a change in bike feels a little weird. For a few seconds, that's it. I just need to find a peaceful road to test this out, you know. This road is filled with potholes. The power on the bike is pretty good. Okay. The rear brake is decent. When I bought my Interceptor, I actually went to the Manyata Tech Park. You know, it was a pretty good place to test out the bike because it had pretty good roads. But then there were speed brakes. I mean, speed brake was there as well. I mean, in that area it's more because it's a tech park and they want everybody to go slowly. Okay, the clutch is good. Smooth transmission. Just need a place to test out all the gears. Let's go. It's a nice bike though. Yeah. Pretty smooth, lightweight. You know, for Steve it's pretty good actually. Damn, man, I can't cross third gear in this place. Okay, so we met the guy, rode the bike around a bit, and unfortunately it seems he has another buyer in line, like I said already, and Steve is second in the queue. So yeah, so the other buyer has apparently given him an advance already, and he said that he'll make the rest of the payment in 3 days. Well, if he does that, then Steve is in for some bad luck. But if he doesn't, then we're going to finalize the deal. We have told him that we'll get it for 1.7. Well, max we can go up to 1.72 or something like that. The initial offer from the guy was 1.74. But the one more bad, the unlucky thing is, the buyer who is already in line, who has paid the advance, he has said that he's going to buy it for 1.8. So that is even more bad for us. So yeah, we just have to wait for 3 days and see what happens. Well, the bike is really good. He has maintained it really well. Well, I wouldn't mind paying 1.74 for it, the initial price that the guy offered, I mean, quoted. But yeah, we'll just have to see what happens. So now Steve and I are gonna go get something to eat and then head back home. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.